Hello and welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how to create a VRchat account in mobile. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for VRchat, click the first website here. You will see this page. In this page, just scroll down, click create an account. So in this page, write your display name as you can see here, and then choose your email address, write your password, write a strong password. In this page, write your date of birthday, your day or year, as you can see here. After that, when you write your date of the birthday, click on year, and then in this section, click this one, as you can see here. After that, friends, when you write your password, write your I agree terms and conditions, and then click I'm not a robot, and then click create accounts. Just fill all this information here and then click create accounts. Write your date of birthday, email, and password. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to leave a like and give share this video.